behalf of your entire flight crew at Southwest Airlines, welcome to Long Beach. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened. Leave your carry-on items stowed. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, be careful when you open those overhead bins. Items tend to shift during flight and they could fall out. You're free to use the cellular function of your small portable devices. Just remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until we're parked at the gate. Please be advised that the front and back doors are going to be open for ground servicing here in Long Beach for the safety view. Any children you may be supervising, make sure you go out the front door. If you are connecting to another Southwest flight here in Long Beach, always make sure to double check the TV monitors in the terminal for your most up-to-date flight gate information. And for those of you continuing on to Houston Hobby with us, this is your aircraft, this is your crew. Just remain in your seat while all the local passengers deplane. We're going to come from the back, get that accurate route count, make sure y'all are here. Once we do that, we'll give you further instructions. Just please remain in your seats until we make that announcement that you guys are good to go. It has been a pleasure sharing our morning with you all. We do know you have many, many choices when you fly, so we want to say thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Long Beach. Also, we do deplane from the front and back doors here in Long Beach. So, if you're comfortable going down a small flight of stairs, feel free to use the back doors to exit the aircraft. If you need a ramp, come to the front door. Thank you.